23 essential phrasal verbs with simple meanings and examples. Let's start. Morning routine. Phrasal verb. Wake up. Meaning: to stop sleeping and become conscious. Sample: I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. Phrasal verb. Get up. Meaning: to rise from a bed, chair, or sitting position. Sample: I get up at 7 every morning. Movement and commands. Phrasal verb. Come on. Meaning: used to encourage someone or ask them to hurry. Example: come on, we're going to be late. Phrasal verb. Hurry up. Meaning: to do something more quickly or move faster. Example: hurry up or we'll miss the bus. Phrasal verb. Come in. Meaning: to enter a room, building, or place. Example: it's raining outside, come in. Phrasal verb. Hold on. Meaning: to wait for a short time. Example: hold on a minute, please. Phrasal verb. Sit down. Meaning: to move into a sitting position or take a seat. Example: please sit down and relax. Phrasal verb. Stand up. Meaning: to rise to a standing position. Example: please stand up when the teacher enters the room. Phrasal verb. Go in. Meaning: to enter a place or building. Example: let's go in before it starts raining. Phrasal verb. Go out. Meaning: to leave a place, especially a house or building. Example: I will go out for a walk after dinner. Phrasal verb. Stay in. Meaning: to remain inside a place, usually at home, instead of going out. Example: I decided to stay in because I was tired. Daily actions. Phrasal verb. Put on. Meaning: to wear clothes, glasses, shoes, etc. Example: he put on his jacket before going outside. Phrasal verb. Take off. Meaning: to remove clothes, shoes, or accessories. Example: please take off your hat indoors. Phrasal verb. Pick up. Meaning: to lift something or take something from a surface. Example: please pick up your bag from the floor. Phrasal verb. Put down. Meaning: to place something on a surface. Example: please put down your bag on the chair. Phrasal verb. Get on. Meaning: to board or enter a bus, train, plane, or other transport. Example: hurry up or we'll miss getting on the plane. Phrasal verb. Get off. Meaning: to leave or exit a bus, train, plane, or other transport. Example: please get off the train at the next station. Electronics and adjustments. Phrasal verb. Turn on. Meaning: to start or activate a machine, light, device, or appliance. Example: please turn on the lights, it's dark in here. Phrasal verb. Turn off. Meaning: to stop a machine, light, device, or appliance from working. Example: don't forget to turn off your phone in class. Phrasal verb. Turn up. Meaning: to appear or arrive, often unexpectedly or late. Example: don't worry, she will turn up soon. Phrasal verb. Turn down. Meaning: to reduce the volume, heat, or level of something. Example: please turn down the music, it's too loud. Returning. Phrasal verb. Go back. Meaning: to return to a place. Example: let's go back to the hotel before it gets dark. Phrasal verb. Come back. Meaning: to return to the place where the speaker is or was. Example: he came back to work after recovering from illness.